Hey everybody, it's Carrie here with From Seed to Spoon. So I was out here harvesting in the garden and I thought I would make a quick video. Even though I am sick, I have been struggling with a cold. So I thought what better than to make a video about what I am doing to help boost my immunity right now. So if you aren't aware, our app has 26 different health benefits that you can scroll between and filter down by. So I thought today we could focus on immunity and boosting our immune system. I do want to say that gardening by itself also helps, just because like the sunlight, you get vitamin D from the sunlight, and anytime I'm outside I start to get hot, I go inside, I drink a bunch of water. So just doing those things too really helps me feel better when I'm sick. So I will say this is not an all-encompassing list. There are lots and lots of foods that you can eat to help you, to help your immune system, to help support it when you're sick or even when you're healthy, just to give yourself a boost. But I'm gonna focus on a few of the things that we grow in our garden that really help. So the first group that I wanna mention are citrus fruits. So I know it's something that not a lot of people grow, but here in Oklahoma, I mean, we can't even grow them year round, but we put our trees into smart pots. So we have them outdoors during the summertime. So they're outside right now. And then whenever it starts to get too cold, we have a threat of frost, we move them into our garage where they can be warmer and stay out of the cool. So, so far it's worked really great. We keep them in either 20 or 25 gallon smart pots. And while I brought up smart pots, I do want to mention that we have smart pots for sale in our app and on our online store. So you can purchase those through there. So check it out, store.seedtospoon.net. So my favorite thing to do with the citrus fruits is to make a drink from our soda stream. So I absolutely love our soda stream. I use it all the time. So I fill up the soda stream with water, I carbonate it, and then I squeeze in a lemon, a lime, and an orange to it. It tastes so good. Dale even says that it helped him, like, because he loved Sprite before. So it really helped him kick the Sprite fix that he wanted. Another group that we grow a lot of, especially at this time in the warm season, are peppers. So whether it's bell peppers, hot peppers, sweet peppers, banana peppers, I mean, all of them are really good for you. They are really high in vitamin C, so it can really help boost your immune system. So cruciferous veggies are another group of food that's really good for you. So when I say this, I mean things like kale, broccoli, cauliflower, things like that. It's really high in vitamins. Sorry, our roosters are going off like crazy right now. But they're really high in vitamins and antioxidants. So those are another really good group of foods that you can grow in your garden to help with your immunity. So, of course, no list will be complete without mentioning garlic. Of course, garlic is something that is amazing for your health. We try to grow a lot of it, and it's amazing in the garden. It's a really good companion plant, and of course, we love to eat it. I mean, we put garlic in everything. So, garlic is another one that is super healthy, and we find it really easy to grow. We plant it in the fall, and then let it winter, and then pull it in the spring. So the last plant that I want to mention is ginger. Ginger is one that not a lot of people know that you can grow. And it's grown really easily in smart pots, and it is super healthy for you. So it's really high in vitamins and antioxidants. So it's something that's really good to add to your diet whenever you're sick or just wanting an immune boost. Thank you all so much for watching. And I do want to mention, if you haven't checked out our free app, make sure you download it, From Seed to Spoon. It's in the iOS store and Android, and it'll walk you through over 100 different fruits and vegetables and how to grow them in your area, give you specific planting dates based on your frost dates from your nearest weather station. And then also, just like this video, it goes through different health benefits for growing different foods, and you can filter down on the main screen by why you want to grow. So if you have heart issues or you want to support your immune health, things like that, you can tap on that up at the top and it'll filter down to the plants that are best to grow for for that specific health condition. So check it out, and we look forward to seeing you next time. See ya.